Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, I'm Jessica and I'm here to take you on a tour of Playa de los Genoveses in Almería, Spain 2023. This is a gorgeous place that I'm sure you'll want to visit. The atmosphere here is beautiful and it's a great spot to spend your day soaking up the sun's rays. From the peaceful waves lapping against the shore to the colorful fishing boats dotting the horizon, this is surely a place like no other. As we reach the beach, I invite you to take a few moments to take in the stunning beauty around you. You can feel the wind in your hair and the golden sand beneath your feet. On the left, you'll notice a stunning, naturally formed rock formation that stretches as far as the eye can see. Take a dip in the crystal clear waters and find some of the most incredible sea creatures living below the surface. To the right of the beach, there's a hidden, rustic restaurant nestled deep in the hills. As the sun begins to set, take the opportunity to take a walk along the coast and take in all the amazing sights and sounds of the area. On your way, you'll notice the iconic, whitewashed colonial buildings of historic Genoveses. Discover the wild beauty of Playa de los Genoveses and you'll understand why this place is so special. If you liked this video, please click the like button and leave a comment to show your support. Make sure you also subscribe for more exciting videos about travel and exploration. Thanks for joining me on this journey.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!